Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. My name is Belden Koyamu, and I'm joined by my colleague and friend Akon Dunstan. We brought proud students from the University of Goroka, and today we are excited to share a topic that speaks directly to the heart of education. What students expect from their teachers. Now, as learners ourselves, we experienced firsthand the impact that teachers have, not just on academic success, but on personal growth, confidence, and motivation. In this presentation, we'll explore the key qualities students value in their educators, the challenges they face, and how teachers can better connect with and support their students in meaningful ways. We hope this conversation sparks reflection, dialogue, and renewed commitment to building stronger relationship between students and teachers. Now, let's dive into the discussion. The idea we are looking at is students' expectations of their teachers. This simply means what students want or hope to see in their teachers. For example, 1. Students want their teachers to be kind and friendly. 2. They expect teachers to explain lessons clearly so they can understand. The third example, they hope teachers are fair when giving marks or correcting works. The last example, they want teachers to listen when they have questions or problems. In short, this concept is about how teachers behave and teach, and how students feel about it. Now, out of the 4 points, I'll be talking about the first 2 points. So the first point we have is, how does it impact teaching and learning? That's the first point. So now, what students expect from teachers can change the way teaching and learning happens, like good impacts or positive impacts. When teachers are kind, patient, and explain well, students pay more attention in class. They feel happy to ask questions and do their homework. For example, if a teacher explains maths slowly and gives easy examples, students will understand better and enjoy their learning in the classroom. Another thing is the bad impact or the negative impacts. Like if a teacher shouts too much, students doesn't explain properly or ignore students, then students may feel scared, sad, or bored. For instance, if a teacher only helps the smart students and doesn't care about the slow learners, those students may give up. So, when you as a teacher who meet students' expectations, learning becomes easier, happy, and more successful. Now, the second point of the main discussion of this video presentation is, how does it impact my students, me, and my colleagues? Now, impact on the students. Students feel respected and safe when their teachers are caring and fair. They work harder, they do well in class, and also learn to respect others. For example, if a teacher listens when a student makes a mistake, the students will feel confident to try again. Now, impact on me as a teacher. Let's pretend that I'm as a teacher. When I met my students' expectations, I feel proud and happy. Teaching becomes easier because students behave better and listen more. For example, if my students expect me to give clear instructions and I do that, the class runs smoothly. Now, impact on my colleagues or the other teachers. We are together in one school. So, when students see one teacher being kind and helpful, they expect the same from other teachers too. This helps all teachers work better together. For example, if my class learn to respect me, they will also respect my colleagues in their lessons. So, in the end, when teachers care about what students think and feel, everyone wins. Learning becomes a team effort, and school becomes a place where we all grow together. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed it. The third and the fourth part of the video will be presented by my colleague Akon Dunstan. Thank you for being with me, and please be with my second presenter, Akon Dunstan.
Hi everyone. Our topic is students' expectation of their teacher. My colleagues has mentioned some of the points already, and I'm going to elaborate some of the points as well. In school, the relationship between students and the teacher is very important. Students often come to class with certain hopes or expectation about their teacher should behave and teach. This expectation can have a bigger effect on how well students grow, learn, and feel well in school. Therefore, I have some point, which is how do this expectation affect students' growth and development, benefits and challenges. Therefore, when teachers meet or go beyond what students expect, it creates a good and encountering relationship for learning. This helps in many ways, like better learning, emotional support, thinking and creativity, good habit and values. Better learning, students learn more when teachers explain things clearly, treat everyone fairly, and make lesson interesting. Emotional support, students want to teach to be kind, respectful, and easily to talk. This makes students feel safe, happy, and more confident. The other one is thinking and creativity. When teachers let students say ideas and ask questions, students learn to think deeply and creatively. This helps them to grow and develop. Good habit and values. Teachers who are responsible, on time, and honest set a good example for students to follow, which help them to grow and develop. The other one is benefits of meeting students' expectation. Therefore, the points that I have highlighted are better relationship, more interest in learning, a positive school environment, motivate to succeed. Therefore, better relationship. When teacher meets students' expectation, it builds trust and respect, making the classroom a better place for students to learn. More interesting in learning. Students are more effective and focused in class when their expectations are met. The other one is a positive school environment. Good teaching helps create a school culture where everyone feels respect and support. The other one is motivate to succeed. Students feel encouraged to do their best when teachers understand and support them. Challenges in meeting students' expectations. There are different challenges which students face. Therefore, some challenges that I have listed is different expectation, unrealistic expectation, limit resource, and setting boundaries. Therefore, the first point that I will going to elaborate is different expectation. Every student is different. What works for one may not work for another. Therefore, when you want to present things in the classroom, you present according to the levels of students. Unrealistic expectation. Some students may expect things that are not helpful, like not having homework or always having fun activities. The other one is limit resource. Teacher may not always have enough time, materials, or help to meet all students' need. And the other one is setting boundaries. Teachers need to be friendly but also maintain discipline and fairness in the class. Those are the challenges that students and teachers face. To conclude, it is important for a teacher to understand what their students expect from them. When teachers listen and respond well, students grow not just their study but also as confident in the way of speaking, thoughtful and responsible individual. Even though it can be a challenging, meeting students' expectations help create a happy and successful.
Thank you all for watching the video and being with us through the video. Mostly, I'm thankful and I appreciated your precious time being with us. And we'll see you sometimes. Bye.